Oh, you're looking mighty fine, Shrek.
I'm an ogre.
Oh my god.
I'm an ogre. I'm a long head. Is this my son?
I'm gonna rip off your hair. Wait.
Oh, my son is wearing shorts. Why are you wearing shorts? You ugly bastard. You're not wearing shorts. What are we doing here in the first place, Donkey? I mean, come on. There's just water and nothing to drink.
I just want to show you around, Shrek. It ain't that bad. Come on, follow me. Ain't it beautiful here, Shrek?
Okay.
Yeah,
I want to go back to my swamp.
You want to go back to your swamp? This is way better than your swamp. Shrek, this place is luxurious.
Looks like my swamp. All the ogre girls grind on my dick.
What?
I am Shrek in his prime.
Shrek, you a young John.
Are you listening? One day I'm going to have a baby ogre, and I'm going to take care of it as if it's my son.
Shrek, you can't even leave me out of the conversation like that because you know I be getting all the girls too, all the donkey girls. You know to be on my line, and all the horses too because they're superior and shit. You know what I'm saying, Shrek?
Donkey girls smell like farts, Donkey.
Shrek, why would you even say that about my donkey girls? You know every time I invite them over, they be chilling.
No, you don't get to invite them over because I don't let you, Donkey.
Why you always gotta be mean to me? Every time, Shrek. I can't believe you sometimes. You keep looking in your beard, you always be complimenting your life. You can't just be going through your life like that. You gotta get out and do something. You can't just be sitting in me all day and be like this. I want to make for you, man. I love you, Shrek. You fucking kidding.
Let's go enjoy nature.
Oh yeah, nature time with Shrek.
Look at the beautiful nature. Beautiful nature, Donkey.
Let's go.
I know it look good, don't it? Look at that tree. Watch this shit, Shrek. Woo! You come up on here.
If I were to swing like I was Tarzan, it would not go well. Because I weigh 300 pounds, Donkey.
Shrek, if you were to take one swing, your fat ass would fall right to the ground and make a big old sound.
Shut up, Donkey! Shut up!
Monkey? Nice to meet you, Mr. Monkey. You got a name?
That shit back.
I finally feel happy with myself. I see nature as it is. I'm very happy with nature now. And look at this monkey.
Shrek, don't scare him away, Shrek. Shrek, damn, don't scare him away. You gotta talk to him nice.
He just sniffed his asshole, Donkey. You stupid monkey. You sniffed your asshole. You walk in this environment. You stupid.
Shrek, he's just a monkey. He don't know better. He ain't even that smart like you me. You're like almost how ogres are. But you dumb as hell.
I don't care. I don't care. That's disgusting, Donkey. You stupid monkey. So disgusting. Wash your hands, you dumb monkey.
Don't listen to him. Don't listen to him. Don't listen to Shrek, monkey. You keep doing you. When you smell good, you always smell good. You know what I'm saying, Shrek? I mean, monkey.
I hate nature. I hate it. Look at this monkey. He's eating fruit.
Shrek, there ain't nothing cool about this monkey. Okay, I can eat fruit just the same way, and it don't matter. I just got 2 arms, 2 legs. I can do the same damn thing. Now quit criticizing my species.
Can you feed me some fruit? I'm very hungry.
Shrek, quit talking to the monkey like he's superior. He ain't shit.
Thank you. Feed me it. Ah. Thank you, monkey.
Oh, I had enough of this.
That was good.
Yeah, are we friends or what? You just gonna take this monkey over me? Are you serious right now, Shrek? After everything we been through? Don't breathe so heavy, Shrek.
Okay. I can't do it. I'm going to have a stroke.
What? Shrek, you okay? Calm down for me.
I am going to have a stroke if you don't stop.
Let me fall into your ball.
Yeah, I wanted to tell you something. You know what I think of you?
Enderman?
You know what I think of you, Enderman?
What do you think there is?
I think you very, you very sweet. You very little, and you look like a big old squash, a big old bug. You look like a nasty little ant that be stealing my Cheetos at night.
It's not be disrespectful, Donkey. Come on.
What you mean, Shrek? I wasn't even doing nothing about it. I wasn't even doing nothing.
Enderman, I'm sorry, Enderman. Donkey is
Enderman.
stupid in the head.
Are you leaving?
I ain't stupid, Shrek. You take that bag now.
Why are you leaving?
I ain't one of the smartest people you would ever know. You don't even know nothing about me. You just assuming.
Be safe.
Did you just call my pee-pee small? You idiot.
I did not call your baby small, Shrek. What the heck you talking about? You be on something else nowadays. I don't even know what you be taking, but you be taking drugs or something.
You just called my wiener small, Donkey.
I do not recall doing that. I don't even recall doing that, Shrek.
That's what I heard, Donkster.
Donkster? What?